I fell in love with Jesus, and I'm still in love, amen. And I'm seeking you first, and I love you, and I want to know you, and I never want to put anything above you. Do you trust me? Do you love me? Give it up. And I gave it up, and I remember I spent 7 months just with Christ.
Hey you, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lillian Cassidy, and this is Life with Lillian.
Everything that I felt, praise the Lord.
Guys, we're going to Lagos. Like, what that video that was singing, I am going to Lagos very soon. Don't beg me, I am going to Lagos very soon. Very soon. It's finally here. We're heading to Lagos. The plan is to go for my friend's wedding, which is next tomorrow in Lagos. I'm leaving for Lagos tomorrow. My friend's wedding is on Friday. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. We'll see. Right now, I just want to go and get a new SIM card because my SIM has been bad. And you're like, hey, what did you do with it? That's a habit I have to work on. And get a new SIM or try to revive my old MTN SIM. And yeah, that's just it. But I will see you guys on the road. Like, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I have to go later today to get some things to carry with me to Lagos. I have to pack my box. So stay tuned because it's about to be real. It's about to be real, guys. I'm going to Lagos. I have no plans. I do have a destination which was just concluded. I'm just going to Lagos. Like, when we get to Lagos, you guys, we will figure it out together, because at this point, I don't know. It's either I'm going to be in my auntie's house in December, which is good, but I don't know. I have to do my final clearance too. Like, that is the main reason. And my friend's wedding too is like the main reason. And I'm thinking that I might not go. Like, the wedding is on Friday, and I don't have a clothes to wear, and I'm leaving Port Harcourt tomorrow, and I have nothing to wear for the wedding, and I want to go for the wedding. And transportation is expensive from where my auntie's house is to where the wedding is. See, God will run it. Let's go. Guys, I'm back, and I did not end up getting a new SIM. I just what's it called? I just linked my NIN to my old SIM, so it has been unblocked. Okay guys, so we're heading to the airport, and my sister is with me, but she does not want to show on camera, so I don't know. I would have, no, Lagos. Okay, Lagos. Yes, I would have done like a full fit video for you guys, but I was rushing at home and I did not finish packing on time. So yeah, we're heading to the airport now, and I'll take you guys along with me. I already checked that in. Check-in, and then we're boarding now, and that's just where I'm heading to. My plane is right in front of me. I'm going to try to show you. waiting here. Sometimes I get so shy to like record. Car now, you guys, and this is like the first bite of what I'm having today. It came from like this Eric Air stuff. I did not eat it. It's just literally cake and happy hour.
You are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight.
Hi guys, it's day 2 in Lagos. I arrived in Lagos yesterday, as you saw, and I was too tired to continue filming anything, so yeah, that's it for another day. And I was having cramps, so nothing was funny, you guys, but I prayed and God took the pain away. So without further ado, let's get into the main thing of the moment. I'm unboxing a new tripod stand. It's not really like an unboxing because I've already opened it. So this is it. I know it's supposed to come in a carton. Wait, I can explain. I actually bought it in a carton, but then the carton is in Port Harcourt and I didn't want to carry load, so I just left it there. So it's pink. I'm not really a pink girly, but I think, I don't know, but I just like cute stuff and they're really cute. I painted my nails actually because we have a wedding to attend tomorrow, and my legs too, but why am I showing you my feet? So this is it, and it comes with a remote stand and this that can, you know, don't pull my nails, that can rotate. It actually is pretty long. It also comes with 2 of this. Can you see? Good. I am so happy. Like, there was one time that I used to tie my phone to a rubber band and hang it on a bottle. There was a time when I did not have a tripod stand, and then God in his marvelous way just like provided enough for this, and I'm just so happy and excited about it. So better content for you guys, I guess. And I'm still going to film some clips without tripod because I want them to be creative as possible. I have to go and make breakfast now. I read my Bible. I'm reading Genesis and Abraham and Lot and everything, and Hagar and his wife Sarah, about the promise, and God telling Abraham that he is his great reward. And sometimes we can look for like, oh, what's the reward, what's the promise that God promises us when it comes to him. He promises on himself, I will be your God and you will be my people. So he's our great reward. So yeah, I just gonna make breakfast now. I have to go for PTA meeting in my cousin's school. I have to accompany my auntie, so I need to eat before she gets back from her baking class.
Darkest night, your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you, my love will survive. Every moment with you is a treasure. In your eyes I find my pleasure.
Hey guys, I'm a tad bit confused because I thought my auntie was supposed to carry me with like her, but now that's not happening to me. I don't even know what to do. Like, I'm quite confused. But anyways, I'm headed to the wedding arena. I'm not going to be dressed like this, obviously. Like, I'm going to the hotel first, then I get changed there.
I believe love is underrated or misinterpreted or underrepresented, especially in this day and age. With the whole social media love and show-off, expectation-filled kind of love, I believe love is underrated. People tie it to looks and ideologies and try to define it by a mere sentence. I believe love is underrated because I know God is love. He is perfect, He is true, He is loving, and He is kind. He cannot be defined by a sentence. He is just love.
believe love is underrated. It is not something or a title that can fade away, like when you say I once loved someone. It is something that is always there. No matter how long or how far, love is just always constant. I believe love is underrated.
Hey, so hi guys, I'm at the hotel right now, and I know the lighting in this bathroom is like bad, but like I just wanted to update you guys. My clothes is in the laundry and it's getting ironed, so I'll just get dressed, and I'm feeling like underdressed because everyone is like doing makeup and stuff, and I'm just carrying my bare face. I don't know, but anyways guys.
In your eyes I find my pleasure. Hand in hand we'll walk the path ahead. With you by my side I have no dread. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. In the whispers of the wind I hear your name. In the stars of...
Quick update, I'm done now and I'm heading home by myself. I pray I don't get lost because honestly, I have no idea where. Like, I have an idea, but I trust that God will guide me. And this wedding is beautiful. I'm so happy for the bride, and I'm so happy for the groom too because he's my friend's groom. But like, anyways, guys, thank you guys for coming with me. Thank you guys for joining me on this vlog. Just thank you. I'm going to end the vlog here. So yeah, see you guys next week. Thanks. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm rushing because I have to change. We'll see you next week. Bye.